One of the most beautiful moments I've ever seen was when a bird was taking a bath in the forest. The video was taken. In my experience, videos of these birds are usually not possible with small lenses, but I have shown them completely, God willing. Horned birds take a long time to bathe and repeatedly wash their wings and bodies thoroughly. The videos are beautifully made. You all should watch the full video beautifully. The video was taken from Daira Village, Nannau Union, Damrai Police Station, Dhaka District. If you all like my video, please share, comment and like it. Thank you all.